Looking for the best smoothie blenders in 2025? In this video, we're counting down the top 5 best smoothie blenders, ranked from number 5 to number 1, covering everything from blending power and ease of use to durability and value for money. Our number 1 pick stands out as the best overall, and you won't want to miss it. Check the description for links to all the models mentioned. Let's get started. Kicking off our list at number 5 is the Oster Extreme Mix Blender, a powerful and versatile option for smoothie lovers. With a 1,500 watt motor and a 10-point stainless steel blade system, this blender delivers serious performance, easily crushing ice, frozen fruits, and vegetables in seconds. It comes with a 64-ounce BPA-free try-in jar, perfect for making large batches for the whole family. One standout feature is its pre-programmed settings, which make blending smoothies, shakes, and even soups a breeze with just one touch. The blade spins in a dual-direction motion, pulling ingredients down for a smoother mix. Built for power and simplicity, the Oster Extreme Mix balances high-speed blending with user-friendly controls. It may not have all the bells and whistles of pricier models, but it gets the job done, and does it well. A great choice if you're looking for value and raw blending strength. At number 4, we have the nutribullet Pro 900 Watt Personal Blender, a compact powerhouse designed for personal use with maximum convenience. This 13-piece high-speed blender/mixer system delivers 900 watts of blending power, making it perfect for smoothies, protein shakes, and nutrient-packed drinks. Despite its compact size, it can handle tough ingredients like nuts, seeds, and frozen fruits with ease. The cyclonic action blade blends ingredients into a silky smooth texture, extracting essential nutrients from your fruits and veggies. It's super easy to use. Just push, twist, and blend. You'll also love the included accessories, multiple cups, lids, and to-go options, making it ideal for busy mornings or post-workout shakes. Plus, its sleek champagne finish adds a stylish touch to your kitchen. If you're after convenience, speed, and nutrient extraction in a compact design, the nutribullet Pro 900 is a fantastic pick and a favorite for smoothie enthusiasts on the go. Taking the number 3 spot is the Ninja Mega Kitchen System BL770, a true multitasking beast that goes far beyond just blending smoothies. With a powerful 1,500 watt motor, this system tackles everything from smoothies and frozen drinks to food processing and dough mixing. Whether you're prepping a post-workout shake or kneading dough for pizza night, the Ninja's got you covered. It features 4 versatile functions: blend, mix, crush, and single serve, each optimized for specific kitchen tasks. The package includes a 72 ounces blender pitcher, a 64 ounces food processor bowl, and 2 16 ounces Nutri Ninja cups with to-go lids, offering incredible flexibility. The total crushing blades pulverize ice in seconds, and the dough blade can mix up to 2 pounds of dough in under 30 seconds. If you're looking for an all-in-one kitchen powerhouse, the Ninja BL770 delivers outstanding performance, value, and durability, perfect for families and home chefs alike. At number 2, we have the Breville Fresh and Furious Blender, a sleek and powerful option that combines style with performance. With a 1,100 watt motor and a 50 ounces BPA-free try-in jug, this blender effortlessly handles smoothies, ice crushing, and more. Its surgical-grade stainless steel blades ensure durability and efficient blending. The even blending hemisphere design promotes consistent results by circulating ingredients for a smooth texture. It features 9 task controls, including pre-programmed settings for smoothies, green smoothies, and ice crush, providing versatility for various recipes. The LCD display offers a countdown timer for precise control, while the Breville Assist lid with a ring pull design ensures easy removal and a tight seal during operation. Ideal for those seeking a reliable blender that delivers consistent results without breaking the bank. The Breville Fresh and Furious Blender is a top contender in its category. Capping our list at number 1 is the Vitamix 5200 Blender, a professional-grade powerhouse renowned for its durability and performance. Equipped with a 2.0 horsepower motor It effortlessly blends everything from smoothies and soups to nut butters and frozen desserts. Its 64-ounce BPA-free container is perfect for both single servings and large batches. The manual variable speed dial offers precise control, allowing you to achieve the perfect texture every time. While it lacks digital presets, its simplicity is a testament to its reliability. Cleaning is a breeze with its self-cleaning feature. Just add warm water and a drop of dish soap, run the blender, and rinse. Backed by a 7-year full warranty, the Vitamix 5200 is an investment in quality and longevity. Whether you're a culinary enthusiast or a professional chef, this blender stands out as the best overall choice. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. Check the description for links to all the blenders we reviewed. Drop a comment and let me know your favorite. Catch you in the next video.